Dodge 3.6 liter, crank no start, the vehicle stalling while driving. What we had here is this fuel line came disconnected from the fuel rail. There's a plastic clip in there, it's broke. Unfortunately, the only way to repair this would be to get the sub-up line assembly from Dodge. Just a 12-inch piece of line here with the quick connect fittings on it. So for now, we just rigged up a clamp just so we can pull this around here and wait for our part to get in. So if you've got a problem with low fuel pressure, check there. Thanks for watching.